What's up? Uptown Swing. Peter, not Stacia, but Sydney, she's helping. Okay, check it out. Here's what we did. Basic footwork. We did right foot for followers, left foot for leaders. We did rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Try that 1 billion times. That's your main goal. Then we did open position. Same thing, facing your partner. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. And then we did closed position. Remember, you're not totally front, you're not totally facing your partner, and this is a bad time for direct eye contact. You're here. So we did rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Then we tried the tuck turn and the change of places. We'll show it like this. It goes open, close, turn, rock, step, change places. And you're dancing right here, just keep on dancing. You can work your way back. And then we'll try it again. Triple. It goes rock, step, triple step, open, close, turn, and rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple. Your homework is not even that if you don't have a partner. Your homework is just basic footwork. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Do that 1 million times. We will see you next week.